Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting one. This is going to be the makeup in alphabetical order challenge. I have seen this challenge. It's been going around the beauty community. I've seen Nikkie Tutorials do it, James Charles do it, and Nicol Concillio do it. So I thought, why not give it a shot? So if you guys are interested in seeing the alphabetical order makeup challenge, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So basically this challenge is you do your full face of makeup, but in alphabetical order. So like blush is going to be our first step, then bronzer, brows, and so on and so forth. So this is going to be very challenging, but I'm kind of excited to do this and challenge myself. So we're going to start off with blush. Today for blush, I'm going to kind of stick to the more cream products. I'm going to take this Flower Beauty Blush Balm. This is in the shade Pinched. And I'm going to take it on my Thrive Cosmetics sponge, which I need to go wet. Okay, my sponge is wet, so I'm going to take this Flower Beauty blush. I'm just going to squirt some on the back of my hand. Like that much. I'm going to build this up on my cheek. I want it to be kind of vibrant so that it has a shot of peeking through, since foundation is quite a ways down the line. I love this Flower Beauty Blush Balm. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, we're looking nice and rosy right now, so okay, let's move on to bronzer. Today I'm going to be taking the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick. So I'm just going to rub this on the back of my hand as well. Just get it kind of looking like that. And then go in. And this is actually the first time I am using this bronzer. It's a favorite of a lot of people, so I figured that I should give it a shot. Although I chose a heck of a video to try this product out in. You know what? I think I'm just going to try and apply it right on my face because I'm having a hard time getting it to show up. Ooh, this actually really does blend out very nice and easily. I'm kind of digging it so far. I think if I had foundation and concealer and all of my other makeup on, it would look very beautiful. I think it's just throwing me off that I only have blush and bronzer on right now. Right, and now that I have that done, next is brows. I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Brow Last in, I believe this is in, what color is this? In Blonde. Alright, and the brows are on. So next is concealer. I'm going to go in with my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade Casanova. Alright, and now that we have the concealer done, it is time for contour. I'm going to take my Catrice Prime and Fine Professional Contour Palette. I'm going to dip into this. I'm going to contour this mess. This is what I'm kind of dreading because I hope this doesn't stick to all of this cream that we have on our face. And next is eyeliner. So I'm not going to do any eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to use this Zoella x Colourpop cream gel liner in XOXO. I'm going to just run this in my waterline. And next is eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. I'm going to take this shade right here, Hush Hush, and just put it in my crease. I honestly don't plan on doing an in-depth eye look because after this video, I'm just going to wash it all off. I mean, unless my makeup turns out to be fabulous, but somehow I don't see that happening. And I'm going to put this Bling Bling shade all on my lid. And now, finally, we can do foundation. Today for foundation, I'm using the IT CC cream, just in the shade Fair. This is their original CC cream. Right, and we're just gonna go right in. And it literally is covering up our blush and bronzer. I was hoping that this being a CC cream that the blush and bronzer would hopefully peek through, but it doesn't look like it. And I forget how beautiful this foundation is though. It just looks so flawless and airbrushed. And now it is time for highlighter. I'm going to jump into this Flower Beauty Trio. Take my highlighting brush and dip into the lightest shade right here. And go right in. This highlighter is so beautiful. I love the way that it just makes you look so glowy. I love this. Oh man. I forgot to do my bottom lash line with eyeshadow. Oh. I'm gonna cheat really quick and do it. It's gonna drive me insane if I don't. I'm just taking Hush Hush and I'm just blending it on my lower lash line. Just a little something. And now it's time for lip liner and lipstick. So I'm going to take the Zoella X Colourpop lip bundle in Little One. Just going to take the Little One Lippie pencil. Now I'm going to take the little one lipstick and put it on. Now it is time for mascara. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Okay, and now that mascara is done, it is time for primer. I have the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. So we're just going to pump some out here, just rub it around in my hands here, and go right in. Ugh. So glad that this is happening right now. So glad. 10 out of 10, would not recommend. This is so gross. Ooh, it feels so oily and slick and not a fan. All right, and now we get to set this mess in place with some setting powder. I'm going in with the Thrive Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder. I'm gonna take my sponge and just go right in under the eye here. And then just set the rest of the face with it as well. And last but certainly not least is setting spray. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every Sunday when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!